So, credit restoration. First basis. First thing, if you are interested in restoring your credit or even building more credit, I can help you guys with that. As I said, I started the end of 2019, because I wanted to clear my credit. Not only clear it, but learn credit, health, and wealth. So the first things that you need to understand is, on your credit profile, what is there? You need to know. There is a need to know basis, because those are things that lenders and loan officers, when you're looking to get credit cards, credit unions, also when you're wanting to purchase things, or even purchase a house if you haven't already, you need to have a clean credit profile. So what you do first is, if you've never pulled your credit, you have every year they allow you to pull your credit for free. So you want to go to the 3 credit bureaus online, pull your credit report. You want to go to TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian. Get your free credit reports. Read them, overview them, look at the information that's sitting there. Dispute all aliases, different names, spellings. Correct that information. Also, anything that is there on your profile as far as addresses, old addresses, those are things that lenders look at also. So you don't want to have like 50 million addresses on your credit profile when lenders are looking. So you want to make sure you have the correct addresses. What else to begin clearing your credit? The first steps of credit restoration. You want to clear your credit profile. You also want to make sure that whatever is there, that there are things that belong to you, and never agree with a creditor that information on your credit report belongs to you, especially when you're going through the credit process of restoring it. You want to dispute those items, or pay them off, depending on you. If they've been sitting there for forever and you hadn't done anything about it, it's best to dispute. We'll get to that at a later time. But on a need-to-know basis, the first information that you do need to understand is, you need to make sure you have a clear and concise credit profile as far as your name, addresses, information that you may not even know that's there, that doesn't belong to you. You want to dispute those things, but you firstly want to clear your credit profile by disputing names, addresses, and incorrect information. There's also a letter that you can mail off to all 3 credit bureaus to also dispute. But what I like to do is call them directly. And I also have those phone numbers too. I'll be giving those to you guys. And also the addresses that you'll need to mail off, and the dispute letter to take off wrong names and addresses and information that you feel does not need to be there, and you don't want it there. You want to have your name, your address, your correct information. You do not want to have a million addresses and names and aliases on your profile. So that is the beginning stages of restoring your credit. Contact the 3 credit bureaus. You want to contact TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian firstly, and you can call them on the phone. You can Google the number, but I will have that information available for you guys. Also, But those are the beginning stages to cleaning up your credit, restoring it. You want to have a clear credit profile. Thank you guys. And I'll be getting you more in-depth information. If you are interested, let me know in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe if you would like to. I know that I am new to this, so it'll get greater later, guys. I did have another app on my phone where I knew how to do edits and everything that I was familiar with. I just have to remember what the name of it was because I uninstalled it last year. So still, I am giving you vital information of the first steps. Contact Equifax, TransUnion, and Experian. Call them, the customer service, and get those names and addresses and information off. But you first, before that, have to get your credit reports from the same 3 bureaus so you can compare and contrast and get that stuff knocked off. It's not hard at all. You can also go online and dispute names and addresses through those different those 3 credit bureaus. It's simple as hell, but that's the first start. You just have to be ambitious and determined and consistent. And we'll get into more fun things of you guys restoring, cleaning up, and building your credit. Have a good day, guys.